Hello everyone. The book that I decided to read for this assignment is called Tiny Creatures: The World of Microbes, written by Nicola Davies and illustrated by Emily Sutton. Davies is an English zoologist and one of the original presenters of the BBC's wildlife program called The Really Wild Show. She has also written various children's books about other animals. Therefore, this author is qualified to write about this topic. All of the information depicted in this book is aided by the use of colorful illustrations that give the reader more of an idea of how small and numerous microbes are. All of the information is presented with facts that are accurate and not misleading. The author describes the functions that microbes have, including where they live, how they reproduce, and why they are important for life on Earth. With the use of illustration and text, this book does a great job at activating prior knowledge that Yop and Yop say is important for children to have to help them further understand the topic. An example of this is when Davy talks about the size of microbes. Most children know how big ants and whales are, so by using these two animals to compare the million of microbes living on an ant's antenna to the size of a whale makes the comprehension more solid. Although this book does not have an index, charts, or a glossary, it still does a great job in introducing the topic of microbes, since these creatures usually aren't even talked about until middle school, or sometimes even high school. Overall, I do not think that there aren't any weaknesses with this book, primarily because the information involved with microbes are endless. So I think the author does a great job in summarizing the main functions that microbes do without making it overwhelming for younger minds. The audience for this book is for kindergartners to third graders, and is a great book for teachers to read aloud since there are various opportunities to pause and think about what the author states, which encourages reader involvement. Overall, I think that this book is an excellent way for teachers to introduce microbes and to show students the importance that microbes have in our everyday life. Thank you.